I am going to teach you today how to prepare your skin for microneedling. Doesn't matter which microneedling tool you're gonna be using, Dermaroller, Dermapen, Aquapen, Aquastamp, any kind of stamping tool to actually enhance natural beauty, diminish fine lines, get rid of acne scars, just have youthful, beautiful skin. And it is very, very so important because preparation is 50% of your benefits, what you're going to get using microneedling tool. Now the first step, what I do, I actually, before I do anything, and right now I actually sit down, I don't have no makeup, I don't have nothing, like I am just like, I will do this like usually every day. This is what I'm going to show you right now, what I actually do with my face, with my skin, with my hands, with my hair and stuff like this. So wow,
8:01 p.m.
and this step number one, before doing anything else, you gotta wash your hands. Let's go wash my hands. I don't have a second person filming how I'm washing my hands, so I'm actually going and washing my hands. Just imagine right now that I'm washing my hands and you go wash your hands right now. All right, step number two, I actually take care of my hair, either ponytail or wherever you want, and I'm using this cute Numbing Beauty. Step number three, I am actually preparing everything. So what I'm gonna need today, I'm gonna need 2 cleansers. You can use 2-3 cleansers. This is what I'm using. You don't have to do the same. I'm gonna be using microneedling. I'm not gonna do microneedling. This video is only how to prepare for microneedling. And then alcohol and numbing cream, basically. So first step, what I do I have makeup, I don't have makeup, or wherever, I'm always using this before microneedling session because that actually removes oil from your skin. And if you have makeup, you must use this. And this is my favorite, actually. I found interesting. I tried many like makeup removing balms. This is the best so far. I don't have makeup, but I'm putting like this. If I had makeup, I might will do this twice or will put at least more. And what is a good thing, you don't need actually water with this, so just really gently, maybe that's not gently, removing all the oil, makeup, sebum. And you want to do microneedling at night, so if you have a night shift, you want to do them in the morning before going to bed. And the most important, you want to do that before you going to bed. And don't be lazy to spend a little bit more time than usually on washing your face before microneedling, because you want to really make sure that you're gonna remove all the crap that you have on the face. And right now I'm going to wash my face and wash it really well with the water. Next step, I'm using my favorite ever favorite Numbing Beauty. Have you heard about this brand? It's really amazing because they have real individual needles for your face. Dermarollers, they have real individual needles, and they have organic and natural skincare products. So this serum, this actual cleanser is alpha hydroxy and beta hydroxy acid cleanser that is very gentle, natural ingredients. Guys, can you believe it? For example, they have 75% organic ingredients, 92% natural. I love natural stuff. So I'm gonna be using this to exfoliate my face. And why I like that? Actually, because alpha hydroxy and beta hydroxy acid are 2 acids that are most important what our skin needs to exfoliate and tighten your skin. So basically it tightens the skin, it helps with hyperpigmentation, it helps with acne. If you have acne like or bumps or open pores or blackheads, it helps with that. And it's really gentle. It has tiny like jojoba beads that are really gentle to your skin, doesn't feel like exfoliating or anything. So it's basically like 3 in 1, lifting your skin, cleaning your skin, helps with acne, helps with hyperpigmentation, helps with aging, and a really gentle exfoliation, so your skin after is smooth, clean, beautiful. Oh my god, did they say 3 in 1? I think this is like 7 in 1. I like to rub like this, and then with this hand like this, and then like this. Oh my god, and it doesn't have any smell, any fragrance, any like smelly, crappy ingredients, no fragrance, no perfume, vegan, totally plant-based. After I rub this for a minute, I'm going to wash my face. Okay, now this very important step. If you're gonna be using bigger needle size, the 0.5, let's say 0.75 I have today, this is 1.5. Now I'm not gonna be using 1.5 because that's not for the face. Why is even here? I'm gonna be using 1 millimeter Dermaroller. So this one, you need numbing cream in most cases. Now I'm a badass, I really don't need numbing cream, but you wanna use numbing cream if you're not experienced, if you're not advanced. You're gonna probably, for the first time, using 1 millimeter Dermaroller is painful. I don't feel that much pain because I've been doing this for a while. So what you wanna get, I'm gonna link, by the way, this is not my favorite numbing cream. I'm gonna link down below in the description box my favorite numbing cream. This is not my favorite numbing cream and I don't recommend that, but I don't have anything right now to show. I'm gonna link down below a Banel 520, I believe that's the name of the favorite numbing cream. You wanna apply numbing cream on your face, wait 20, 25, maybe 35 minutes, depends on numbing cream. It should say on the bag how long you have to wait, but usually it takes 20 to 30 minutes. You wanna apply thin layer on the skin of the numbing cream. Wait 20 minutes. Then remove it, wash it or whatever. Probably will take some towel or napkin or paper towel to wipe gently off. And then the next step is the most important step. You need to use this step if you wanna have benefits and you don't wanna get infection. Now it's up to you what you're going to use. Alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, this is what is used in medicine, in clinics, in hospitals, in any kind of open wound. If you touch needle your skin, if you touch the skin with your needle, you need to use isopropyl alcohol. This is what they're using in hospitals, in surgeries, when they take your blood and stuff like this. Now people say, oh my god, this is alcohol, this is crazy. Yes, this is alcohol, but fact that you might get infection, you might gonna get some, you know, really serious issues in your blood, you don't want to take a risk. And yes, this is alcohol, and no, we're not using this every day with 0.25 and 0.23. You don't use anything more than 0.5. You must use alcohol. So I'm going to be using alcohol actually to disinfect my face, and I'm poking. By the way, somebody sent me this. One of my followers sent me that during that moment when we didn't have alcohol, and I'm really grateful. If you're watching and you send me this alcohol, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. So, and I'm taking cotton round, clean, anything clean material, and I'm wiping with alcohol, starting from the forehead. I'll make sure you go all the way by the hairline, nose. You might feel a little bit uncomfortable because of the alcohol smell. I hate that. But wiping everything away, following the lymphatic flow, brows, doing the same thing on the other cheek. And then like this. And if you're gonna be using on the neck, you do on the neck, and that's it. And now what you do with Dermaroller, basically I can put Dermaroller video how to use how to disinfect Dermaroller right here somewhere in the corner. But basically you will go to your sink, or you will have your alcohol in the spray bottle. You could spray, leave it in the case, basically like that. And you want to do this a little bit earlier, maybe 20-30 minutes before that. You want to make sure the alcohol is going to dry your needles, or you pour above the sink and then leave it again for 20-30 minutes. That probably will be like step number 0 before anything else. And technically that's it. And then you start microneedling session. So, and if you want to see how I'm gonna do microneedling session, go to my next video. That's gonna be after this one. Go there and finish this video, as this is gonna be part 2, how I use microneedling tool. This is 0.5. Why I have 0.5 over here with me? Here I have 1 millimeter. I have not used 1 millimeter Dermaroller like probably in a year. So what, you know guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually use 1 millimeter Dermaroller today. So let's go to my next video, which is part number 2. Thank you so much for watching, and now I'm going to Dermaroll my face with 1 millimeter Dermaroller. See you there. Bye. Thanks. If you have any questions, leave me down below with microneedling tool.